All right, guys, welcome to the final chapter of IMT 60. This is Module 9, Introduction to Materials Handling. Okay, upon completion of this module, you'll be able to define a load, establish a pre-task plan prior to moving a load, use proper material handling techniques, choose appropriate materials handling equipment for the task, recognize hazards, and follow safety procedures required for materials handling. Okay, performance tasks, demonstrate proper materials handling techniques. Okay, when we look at lifting, there is a proper lifting procedure. Okay, you want to lift with your legs, keep your back straight, and keep your head up. Before attempting to lift any material, look for any protruding nails, wires, or sharp edges. Okay, notice in the drawing how the individual in the image, how as they bend down, they're bending at the knees, keeping their back straight. Even though if you look in number 3, it looks like he's leaned over a little further. He's bending at the waist. He's not arching his back at all. Okay, properly stacked containers, properly stacked pipe. Okay, properly stacked bags. If we look at how these bags are stacked, you can notice that they alternate the direction. What this does is it helps to keep the stack secure, even though there's nothing wrapped around it. Okay. Some of you guys may have seen trucks that are hauling hay, small bales of hay. They do the same thing with that. The alternation, the bales running different directions and different orientations actually holds the stack together so that it's very stable. Okay. Bricks also, we can see that they're alternated and offset. And blocks. Okay. When working with cables and a pull system, it is acceptable to use low stretch rope. The lower the center of gravity when moving materials, to lower the center of gravity when moving materials, you should always place the heaviest load on the bottom. When moving a materials cart on an inclined or declined surface, you must be sure the load does not exceed the labeled weight capacity. Okay. Before using a materials handling device, you must inspect it. Load the quantity of material that can be transported at one time by a machine or vehicle. Okay. A roller skid may have a rotating table surface and or spikes on the table surface for better grip. Okay. This is a pipe mule. If you're having trouble transporting a load that is too long or cumbersome, or you can have trouble transporting a load that is too long and cumbersome. Okay, here's another pipe transport. Okay, a jack is a non-motorized material handling device which uses force applied with a lever, screw, or hydraulic press to raise objects. Okay, here's a pallet jack. In order to work with motorized materials handling equipment, you must be trained, certified, and authorized. Okay, here's a concrete mule. This is actually a machine that you actually ride on and drive to move concrete. Okay, industrial forklifts are the appropriate vehicle to use for lifting and moving heavy loads on smooth surfaces. The diameter of the fall zone when working around a forklift is twice the height of the object being lifted. Okay, here's a rough terrain forklift. Okay, when using hand signals, you must always keep eye contact with the operator. That concludes our materials handling section. Please review this in preparation for the module exam.